Mastering Speed Reading with Digital Pacers. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an interesting part of improving your reading speed and fluency. Specifically, we'll be discussing digital pacers and how to use them effectively. As you might already know, a pacer is a tool or technique to guide your eyes as you read. Let's dive into the world of digital pacers. A digital pacer is a tool used to regulate the speed at which you read. It sets a pace and helps eliminate distractions and unnecessary eye movements, thereby improving your reading speed and comprehension. Digital pacers come in many forms, such as software, apps, or even a functionality within e-readers. They are a modern take on traditional pacing techniques like using a finger or a pen to guide your eyes. The primary benefit of using a digital pacer is increased reading speed and comprehension. They can guide your reading, reduce regressions, that is, moving your eyes backward to reread a line, and minimize distractions. Additionally, many digital pacers are adjustable, allowing you to set the pace that suits your current reading ability and gradually increase it over time. Now, let's get to the crux of the matter: how to use a digital pacer. First, select a digital pacer tool. Once you've selected one, load the text you want to read. Set a comfortable speed at which the pacer will move across the text. Your goal is to keep up with the pacer without moving your eyes backward or straying off. It might be a bit challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. Just like any other skill, improving your reading speed and fluency using a digital pacer requires regular practice. Start with short reading sessions of about 15 to 20 minutes per day. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration and the speed of the pacer. Remember, the goal is not only to read faster but also to comprehend and retain the information. And that's it, folks. We hope that this guide has given you a good understanding of how to use a digital pacer to improve your reading speed and fluency. Remember, the key is to start slow and practice consistently. Here's to your improved reading skills and happy learning.